What's up everyone, we're back another day in the kitchen, and today I want to talk to you all about shelling beans. Beans that come in a shell like this. So they're fresh in the summer. You may think easy enough to cook, right? And really they are, but there is something totally underrated about cooking these properly. Stick around, I'll show you how to cook a shelling bean. First things first, easy enough. The beans come in these pods. All you wanna do is tear the pod open in half. Using your thumb, you can slide right down and you expose these beautiful, magical beans. Okay, beans are done. Next thing, we need a pot, some aromatics, and mirepoix. All right, I'm keeping things simple here. Just a little bit of red onion, carrot, really whatever you got. This is no good, but we could use the core to keep the onion together. So onion in half. This, we're going to just take the outer, just take the tips off of, snacks, and the carrot I actually want to open. Here we go, ready to cook. 4 quart saucier. You want the beans to cook evenly. You want them to have enough space. You don't want them to be crowded. You don't want them to be stacked up. Just keep in mind, your pan choice is important. Down here, we're gonna heat up the pan, high heat. So hot pan here, careful, don't touch the pan. We're gonna go veggies. Looking for a little bit of color here. Any kind of fat, I'm using olive fat in this case. Add this oil. Now that we've got nice color all the way around, thyme and oregano. I like to go pretty overboard. So to calculate salt percentages, I always use a calculator. So 2% salt is, right down here into the pan, my bouquet of herbs, and then we're gonna cover with water. Whatever we add is just gonna make the beans taste either more like beans or less like beans. I used about 1.5 times the amount of water or liquid to cover the beans. We're looking at about 35 minutes here. I'm gonna taste, it's the only way to really know if they're done. Luscious, creamy, not starchy at all, perfectly cooked. And that, my friends, is how it's done. If we don't stop our beans from cooking, they're going to overcook. But now we don't want to pull them out of the liquid or they're going to dry out. Pour our beans. At this point, we could discard and remove our aromatics and vegetables. Beans are spread out wide, but still submerged in their cooking liquid. You don't want the beans to dry out. As the beans cool, they're going to soak it up. This is one of the ways to ensure your beans have proper seasoning throughout the entire bean. There we go, well seasoned broth. And that's it, we made beans. Obviously it'll take a little longer if you're cooking some more beans, but these are better cooled overnight, I think so, sitting in this liquid, and they'll taste even better tomorrow. And you tell me, how do you like your beans? I love beans.